In this video, I will show you how to set Siri only for your voice. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's jump into the settings on your iPhone. Head over to Settings and scroll down to find Siri in Search. Once you're in the Siri in Search settings, look for the option Listen for Hey Siri. This is the feature that allows Siri to always be ready to assist you. Now, let's take it up a notch. Go to Siri Voice and select Hey Siri. Here, Siri will guide you through a few voice recognition exercises. It's important to follow the prompts and speak clearly so Siri can learn and identify your voice. After completing the voice recognition setup, ensure that Siri responds exclusively to your voice commands. It's always a good idea to test the setup. Try using the Hey Siri command from different distances and angles to see how well Siri recognizes your voice. This step ensures that your personalized Siri experience is working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.